Watch it. Hey, get her back behind here. Sit.
Yeah, there you go.
Sit. Videotape this. Tell me when you're on. Hang
I'm on.
Hey, real quick. What up, Randy? What do you think? Talking to you? Hey, that's what we call
Goosely love.
Hey, let's see.
Duck, goose.
Rainy. Hey, quit. Heel.
Okay, it's kind of cold.
Heel.
We'll do it to it.
Sit. See, every now and then, when you're in good with the geese, you can sit there and have conversations with them. Heel. Sit. Only bad thing is, geese have a bad tendency being cripples to grab a hold of the side of a dog. It doesn't work very good. If that thing grabs a hold of my nose right now, you want to see me throw. I promise. Oh, I know. Tell me what you're really thinking.
Give it a kiss.
I was thinking.
All right. Here, safety factor 101. Brent Olson kissing. If this sucker bites me, I'm in trouble. All right, here we go. Brent Olson kissing.
Dog's gonna get mad.
Good girl. I'm gonna kiss you if you bite me back. No tongue. Just on the cheek.
Just teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. No offense. Bye bye.